uh, what do you call it, in the group itself. ठीक है? So cool, awesome. Just let me know if you can see my screen and we can go ahead with this. Is my screen clear? Just type Y for yes in the chat. So we'll be communicating with the abbreviations of every word. We'll not be using audio much of you guys because it's a disturbance. Right, just type Y for yes if you can see the screen. And why Shri is enjoying. Gay club welcomes you. Fuck man. ठीक है. अरे भाई टाइप कर दो yes if you can see my screen. मुझे नहीं पता चल रहा है if you guys can see my screen. What? Guys, am I audible to you guys?
Meet is typing yes, like in Hebrew or something, I guess.
अरे, so anybody can type, right?
मैंने तो yes बोल दिया यार बहुत दिन. अरे, let's
मेरे को तो
keep moving. Everybody said yes.
मुझे
Let's
दिख नहीं
start.
रहा है anyways. चलो ठीक है. So guys, this is our ODMC inner circle call where we will interact and find out what's going right with our profiles and achieving the goals, right? So this is our first of all vision. This is part of my GMC also, which is Game Mastery Challenge, and you are part of the Abundance Lifestyle Hub, in which I'll help you become the abundant alpha 2.0 man, which is the attractive and a fulfilled man who is living in life where it's like kind of abundant with goals, experience, and life in general, right? The goal with this ODMC call or the entire program we're gonna have is first phase. We want to get new date every month. This is the very first phase. The second phase would be getting a new date every 2 weeks. Third would be every week. And fourth will be having the 18 girls in our funnel, right, as fast as possible. And the fifth would be, if you are that kind of person, then choosing the right one for you. That's our goal in the multiple phases. Your journey is going to be in 3 steps. First, you have to finish the ODMC, the entire program in 90 days within actually. I'll try my best to finish it as fast as possible because we are an efficient group to learn this. The Hall of Fame will be the step 2, which will be a first lay through online dating in next 30 days. Right? It doesn't have to be next 30 days. Whenever you hit the first lay and you will be reporting in the group, you will be in the second category, which is Hall of Fame. The third would be okay. सबने yes बोल दिया. And third would be the Abundance Man Club, which is you getting the results that you want in 12 months of 18 quality girls in your funnel. ठीक है? Now, this is, I've designed these in a 3-month session. The first month's goal would be, we will be fine tuning your profile and finding the winning settings, which should give you at least 1 to 5 matches a day. Right. So the first month's goal is to fine tuning the entire profiles. एक सेकंड रुको, उसको म्यूट करता हूँ पहले. ये समझेगा नहीं आज तक कि म्यूट करना होता है अपने आप को. So fine tuning your profile and finding the winning settings. Right. In that week 1, we will be talking about understanding the game you are about to play. First of all, you have to understand what game you are about to play. Until you don't know what game you're playing, you'll not be able to play properly. Right? Makes sense. The second goal would be, second week's goal will be being present on the platforms to play the game itself. Right? You understood what are the platforms, how it works, and what exactly happens in the online dating world. Then you are in the platform itself. Right? I'll talk about the week 1. This is calls activity today itself. The week 3 would be getting the reality check of your profile and retweaking your strategies to make the match thing happening, right? And the fourth would be, this is the final point of first month, which is hitting the right profile settings, which is gonna help us to work. Now, activities for today's call is, I'll be setting up some community rule. I'll be reviewing your current positions. So these are the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 tasks that we're gonna do today. I'll be telling you the community rules which we're gonna have. We will review. I will review your current positions in the current game scenario. I'll understand your target market. I'll tell you what exactly I mean by that. I'll do some basic exercise of selecting the pictures, and I'll help you understand the matching psychology. In this, so today is the day 0 of the week 1. So एक ये है ना, तुषार joins using his phone and then he comes and goes. इसको मैं बैन कर दूंगा अगली बार. Right. Anyways, so okay, in the video form I'll be helping you. Just give me a second. Yeah. So in video, week 1 video which you will be receiving. एक सेकंड में तुषार से वन ऑन वन बात कर लेता हूँ. जस्ट गिव मी 2 seconds guys, right? तुषार एक बार लाइव आ जा अनम्यूट करके.
हाँ हाँ.
ब्रो पहली बात, मोबाइल से ज्वाइन कर रहा है तो अभी के अभी निकल जा.
एक्चुअली अभिषेक मेरा मतलब आई डोंट वांट टू गिव रीजन बट मेरा सिस्टम मॉर्निंग में क्रैश हुआ था, तो अभी मैं रिपेयर करके लाया हूँ, इसके लिए डिले हुआ है मेरे को. तो
Okay,
अभी
okay.
मेरे पास अदर ऑप्शन नहीं है, बट मैं आई प्रॉमिस कि नेक्स्ट टाइम से आई विल मैनेज सम सिस्टम.
Okay, bros, because you're going in and going out, it's gonna be a little disturbance. So just make sure at least if you're joining again, please unmute. Or you're gonna be muting yourself, right? Skype
Sure.
doesn't give me the power to do that, unfortunately. Right?
Okay.
Chal, thanks, bro. Okay, guys. So week 1 on video, which I'll be sharing from today to next day to till week onwards, is get a complete understanding of how women perceive dating apps and get a sneak peek inside her mindset, how she thinks about the dating apps, multiple types. Every type have like, let's say Tinder, Bumble, Hinge. Every dating app is kind of different when girls and trying to use that, right? And we'll talk about getting the illusion of looks, money, and find out exactly what girl is looking for. Then the second, we will be understanding how dating app works and exactly what is the ELO score and how you can increase yours by understanding how exactly it works. We'll be talking about the pros and cons of different dating app, which gives result in India. The most important is we're gonna find out the reason you might get shadow banned. So I'll give you the list of behaviors which you don't have to do, which you will make sure that you're not doing it, because if your profile is shadow banned, guys, your profile is as good as dead. You have to restart. So if it makes sense, just type make sense MS. Just type MS, because I don't want you to guys restart the entire process. We don't want to get shadow banned, right? In the process, we will be choosing the right app for you according to your target market and goals and the style. Everybody does have a different style here, and everybody does have a different wants also. And then we'll understand your sexual market value. We'll calculate and maximize it, and I'll help you guide the picture selection. So this is the week. हमारे इस week के ये goal होने वाले हैं. We'll work on these areas. And the major goal is to understand how we're going to play into it, right? So I'll talk about quickly about the very first thing of week 1. Okay, so community rules. So we have some community rules here. I know you are like, why do we need rules? Actually, we will be needing it because we are like there are like a lot of people who are actually a little above, like they know already what kind of game they are playing. There are people who are starting from scratch, people who are good at cold approach, but people who are not good at online dating. But we want to bring all together and understand that we are after our goals. We are not here to see who are with us in here. So these are the rules which will help you to learn fast and effectively and better. So first rule would be that you are following the system to the T. Whatever the tasks have been designed, please follow it, please do it, and don't put your brain outside and researching for those elements on YouTube, right? Or anywhere. Ki bro, I found this article. Everything will be given to you in the place in ODMC. You don't have to do any research whatsoever. You have to be being like, you have to be patient, right? I'll give you an example. Anybody here have trained themselves in gym or bodybuilding or any sports? Anybody here done that? Just type yes. Is it take a week, 2 week, 3 week, months or years to get the type of body we are looking for? It takes time, right? When you tried you cracking your first job, it took time for you, right? You got rejected multiple times. You didn't know what to talk to the interviewer, your employers. It took 6 months to get the body. Damn, that was fast. Tell me, bro, how you did that. It's pretty crazy that you got your results in 6 months. So my main point is you have to be patient here. I've designed these 3 months in such a way that we'll take step by step. In first month, we'll take care of the entire profiling. In second month, we'll take care of the entire texting. In the third month, we'll take care of both the elements and boosting everything, right? The third would be you have to be shameless. Whatever mistakes you're doing, whatever type of matches you're getting, whatever shady pictures you have, whatever shady mindset you have, it's okay. Just put it out. Be shameless, because the more you will be honest, the more I'll be able to help you out. And I want you to help me out, please, so that I'll be I'll be able to give you the honest feedback and make you move forward, right? We need to focus on our goals and results. The fourth point, I want you to stick around for 3 months. Literally, if you are following any other person, drop it. If you have more than 2 projects in your life, drop the third one, right? Because not even a superman can handle more than 2 projects in their life, right? So if you have the third project, please drop it. Focus 3 months in here, uh, and stick around for 3 months. The sixth one is learn from all. I'm actually learning from you guys, so I'll be learning from you a lot. There is कोई यहाँ पे ऊपर नहीं है, कोई यहाँ पे नीचे नहीं है, किसी का गेम यहाँ पे शिटी नहीं है, किसी का बहुत फार नहीं है. We are a team. Will be learning properly. It's just under guidance, right? ये rules सबको समझ आ गए? Make sense? Any rule ऐसा लग रहा है कि यार not required, right? So I want to review your current position. There are 3 elements which I want to get your profile reviewed in: profile, match quality you are having, and the text quality you have. Because if I don't know where you are right now, no matter how awesome goal I've given to you, like 18 goals in your funnel by the next 1 year or 3 months or 6 months or whatever it be, will not reach there. First, I need to understand where exactly you are. And the task list that I've shared with you, monitoring sheet, in that I've shared one task where you will be keeping all your data, right? So who wants me to review their profile first? Just
Me.
type me. Okay. So share me the link of the folder where you have kept your data so that I can review it fast.
Okay. No, I don't have it in the folder, so I guess I can share the screen if you want. I have the web version open. So the
Yeah,
challenge,
sure.
man, is that my OkCupid is not as good as TM.
Mm-hmm.
So I want your inputs on it. 1 minute.
Okay. One more thing, guys. Make sure if you are not at the hot seat. So what I mean by hot seat is, okay, next we'll go with the first is Shri, then second is Benayak, third is Meet, and fourth is by default Tushar, because he have not shared me the link yet. Right. So one thing that I want to mention is, hot seat पे कोई भी हो, तुम्हें फर्क नहीं पड़ना चाहिए कि मैं नहीं हूँ वहाँ पे, क्योंकि when I'm reviewing, let's say Shri and Binayak, Meet, and Tushar is watching, they can learn from what I'm telling to him or what kind of reviews I'm doing for him, right? Same goes for every other person when it comes to Binayak, Meet, and Tushar, right? So far makes sense? Just type 5. Okay. So, Shri, you are using right now OkCupid, and what are the other apps you're using currently?
Truly Madly has been the best one for me so far. So I want to keep doing that just to make sure that I'm getting enough dates. But
Okay.
uh, let's come back to. I might struggle is this one. I think Truly Madly is low quality. Okay, Cupid, I really, based on your recommendation, I wanted to make it work, but I am getting really bad results. It's been 2 weeks almost. I took premium
Hmm.
also.
You
So
took
let me.
premium?
Yeah, yeah.
Damn. अभी तो हमने ODMC start भी नहीं किया है. So guys, if when I when I was talking about week 2, I never talked about कि तुम्हें week 1 में profile setup करना है. Why? Because there are some behaviors because of which your profile can be in the category of shadow ban. First of all, I want to let you know everything. What are the do's and don'ts? Then only we'll be creating a profile, right? But it's okay, Shri, if you have made it, I'll look into it. What can be done with
It's
this?
brand new number, brand new everything. I didn't do
One
much.
important thing that I would like to tell you is OkCupid is not an inbound; it's an outbound
Yeah,
marketing platform. Uh,
yeah.
it doesn't matter if you're not getting matches here. What
Hmm.
matters in OkCupid is you sending text to the profile. So that's where the opener is gonna come, which I'm gonna share with you. So there
Yeah,
will
I
be some
think
openers which you
maybe
will be set.
it could be again. You want to review it right now? You can. Maybe I can add a caption or something.
Hmm.
Uh, so this is my profile in this order. I've checked it with the girls I date and other friends.
Hmm.
So this is the order they recommended. The pictures also. So
Okay.
should
You have two
start.
pictures of the same type. Why do you have two pictures of the same type?
I can remove it. I think this is the better one than this. So let me remove this.
Yeah, the shade one is better, right?
Specs one.
Yeah, yes, specs one. And the bike.
So this is the specs one.
Before me telling you about the removing and adding the pics, do you guys understand that your pics give out some sort of vibe to the girl that you're matching with?
Yeah, yeah.
Right now, it's totally up to you what kind of vibe that you want to give out, right?
Mm.
It doesn't have to be so one of the major important thing when it comes to matching is, let me tell you in this matching psychology में देखते हैं in
You
my
have to
map it
share
is.
this.
Yeah, I'll do that. So I'll tell you about the matching psychology. A girl is just see I'm sure that you're able to see the screen. Yeah, just type 5 if you can see the screen. Yeah. So if a girl what a girl is actually seeing is that you are a high value person, and how she uh, finds out that is you look like someone who is fun to be around, right? Because most of the time dating and hookups and relationship is a little bit a fun side भी होता है, ठीक है? For some people it's super serious also, but it's okay. But the girl is looking for a person with whom she can be totally free and fun, and your profile should state a clear intent, right, with the personality you have and type of girl that you want to meet there. The third is you portray your SMV as high as possible. SMV is sexual market value. And fourth is you have to be congruent with that. So these are the four elements which determines your number of matches, and second, quality of matches. Right. And don't worry, I'll share the mind maps every time of every call and every notes that I'm going to share. So you don't have to take notes much. If something, a bulb on moment comes into your head, just you can take a note of it. Not an issue. So before reviewing the profile, I would want to first see that have you guys done the task of finding your values and her values? How many of you guys have done it? Okay. So if first of all, if I don't know what kind of person you want yourself to project in the dating world, and if I don't know what kind of girl you're looking for, how on this how on this call I will be able to help you out that your profile should look like this, or that your photo should come like this, your first photo should like come like this, your bio should come like this. I cannot, right? First I need to understand, or you need to understand, not only I, you need to understand that this is what you want to represent, that you want to meet 18 to, let's say, 25-year-old girls. You may have preference, I don't know, right? But now the beauty is, if you have a clear goal in your mind that you want to meet 18 to 25, that's a different target audience you're gonna be hitting on. And for that you need to have a different profile, a different vibe, a different bio, a different texting method. Now if you are in the range of, let's say, beyond 26, then it will be different. If you're looking for hookups, it would be different. If you're looking for a little bit serious, it will be different. So that's the only reason I talked about write your goals when I shared the task. Right. So for Shri, she should be spiritual, feminine, educated, large family, bisexual, less than 33, open sexually. So now see, if he have given all these traits, right? Now don't you think his profile should be designed in such a way that it's attracting these kind of girls? Maybe some sort of spiritual element, right? Some sort of element which says or connects with uh, the high self-esteem or sexually, comfortable person, right? So now clicking any random pic will work for sure, इतना अच्छे से काम नहीं करेगा, but will not hit the target audience properly, right? अब when I said that target audience, it's not like that we have to be super specific. We don't have to be. Little bit of we'll keep in our mind that okay, this is our target audience, but we'll take plus or minus in both the ranges, right? So that our range for matching with the girls is a little more, right? And later we can fine tune it or narrow it to the liking of our liking, if we are getting the results, right? So okay, so यहाँ पे मीत ने भी लिख दिया है, ठीक है. Now so Sri, do you think, do you in your profile any sort of spiritual elements come into it?
Yeah, let me share it again. No man, it's not there actually, so I have to do some more photo shoot, I guess. So one question I had is, one of the hacks I've seen, and maybe you will recommend this or not sure. To
Faking the
save
photos?
time, not clicking the photos maybe a hack here. They are doing this thing in some other communities where they are taking very similar model like me, same skin
Yeah.
tone, same, and then just a little bit of Photoshop and mera face aa gaya uspe. So it
That
saves a
can be
lot
done.
of time, right? As long as it looks realistic. So right now, spiritual element is not there, but high value is there. Education is there.
Okay, so the first picture of yours represent a sort of a perfect sort of man, which is perfectly fine. This pic is amazing. The
Yeah.
second pic is also good because everybody
Fun.
loves dog.
Yeah, fun element.
Uh,
Fun thing is, mein, thoda, yeah,
can you
dog.
just scroll it down?
Yeah. If a dog likes me, then probably I'm likable. That's the psychology.
Yeah. So, in 2016, 2017, when I did the Tinder game stuff, I was just like this picture only. I was with a dog, and it looked like that we are about to kiss. And I even used it in my bio. It may look like that I'm kissing or the dog is kissing me, but I'm not into that kind of stuff. I'll share the bio that I had. So you can be witty with that stuff also. Can you scroll down a little bit more? Now, tell me what kind of vibe a person will get with this picture.
Professional.
So you want to attract some professional, not super serious kind of person, or like little casual, like what?
Yeah, that professional I don't care much,
Hmm.
but yeah, usually girls like white shirts, so I thought डाल देंगे white.
Okay. Can you scroll down more?
I think you have seen these pics. I'll remove
ये
this.
तो मैं हटाऊंगा इसको तो, हाँ इसके नीचे वाला.
नीचे वाला बाइक है. Bike. This is nice, more chill. I got good feedback on this one, like 8 out of 10 score from girls, multiple girls.
Okay. What they talked about it? What they said about this picture? What it's communicate?
Dressing acha hai, and they think it's my bike, even though it's not. So okay, like I'm into bikes because it's a modified bike, right? So
Okay.
element here, yeah, element maybe here is like chill, like adventurous type of guy, which I like that kind of girls anyway, so it's fine.
Okay.
But maybe a travel picture would be better. ये तो बहुत ही like serious है.
Suit
Shall
wala,
we?
it's not required here.
ठीक है.
Your profile is giving a lot of professional vibe there है काफी.
ये drum वाला
Yeah,
is
it's
a
good. It
fake.
shows the taste of music. It's okay even if you don't know the drumming part. You have your football, as I know, right? Football
Yeah.
का element हो सकता है. But that's fine. These are the pictures you already have. That's cool. My agenda for today's call is, मैं फिर से repeat कर देता हूँ. मेरा एजेंडा यहाँ पे दिखा देता हूँ मैं अच्छे से. To find out कि what you're doing, is it in a right order, right way or not for everybody जो भी हैं यहाँ पे. Then I want to understand your target audience कि तुम किसको hit करना चाहते हो, जो कि मैं कर रहा हूँ अभी. And
Right.
these are the main important for this main important task that I have.
So I've collected some. Maybe we can quickly pick some. This is boring. I think last time. What about this? Like this is too professional, I guess, right?
Yeah.
This is too professional. And what about this? Party. I think that's pretty much it. Yeah. सब serious है बाकी सब.
Yeah.
Okay,
I
I
think
will
so.
just read you.
Don't worry, अभी day 0 start हुआ है. I'll share some more ideas on what kind of picture. If I first know that exactly this is what you want to represent, and this is what exactly type of girl that you want to attract, on that
Right.
basis I might come up with new ideas where you don't have to do a lot of stuff to get the photo shoot done. A simple phone would be good enough. So basically
Yeah.
a normal thumb of rule is you don't have to have every picture to be in HD. You don't need that. It misses out the natural stuff. So
Yeah.
low quality picture is also good, but it should not be in majority. Majority should be like high definition, दिख रहा है बंदा अच्छे से कि नहीं.
Yeah.
So in your spiritual feminine large family and your bio, what's your bio right now?
Bio is what you made it for me. Same thing with Mexico is close to my heart, something like that. We worked on that, right? Sure. Yeah, this is the bio.
Unique place in my travel area, so which country would you like to pick? So guys,
problem हो सकता है. I think location is also a problem. That's why I'm not getting matches. I'm in like Pina area. So
Pini, acha.
Okay.
You have. I want to see the bio so that other guys can also.
Sure. Go back. Yeah.
Right. So it says. So guys, for it says Southern Mexico has a unique place in my travel diary out of some XYZ countries with the flags on it. So which country would you pick to fly to if I spun my magic wand? And let's not argue about feminism on a first date under the starry sky. Bro, Shri, ये हमने बनाया था.
Yeah.
I remember that. I made it because these are the elements you have given to me. That, you know,
Correct.
feminism, starry sky जो मैंने add करवाया था, और black belt because you said talked about martial arts. The
Right.
third line, it's actually kind of not making sense much. I just made it because you wanted these elements to be in place.
The feminism.
Yeah, because it's raising a flag sort of stuff. That feminism is a misunderstood word, to be honest. Right? So don't edit it. I'm just अभी एकदम delete नहीं करना है मेरे भाई. मैं बस बता रहा हूँ. So by second week, I'll promise you that everybody will have a proper like photos, profile and bios written, and your profile will be up and running for swiping.
Sure.
So अभी जैसे एक feedback चल रहा है, अभी कुछ change नहीं करना है.
Yep.
Right? It's just a feedback for everybody.
Sure.
Two things always intrigue me: solving the world's biggest problem as an entrepreneur, and tantra. Share your. So my question to you, Shri: any girl have pinged you and talked about any of these elements while talking to you, without even you bringing those topics? Is it
No.
ever happened?
Never.
Never happened. So only two things can happen if it's not happening. Either you're not matching with a girl who can understand what you're writing here, or the write-up is, you know, maybe not up to the mark. Only two
Correct.
possibilities can happen. Now, what do you feel about the write-up? How would you rate it out of 10?
See, again, I'm not a girl, so I don't know. Maybe I can send it to a couple of girls and see. Especially the feminism part, they will be like, "Fuck, remove that." You know.
That we need
So
to remove that, but not right now.
let's talk about.
So guys, how would you rate it? Everybody, meet Tushar and Vinayak. This bio that you have read so far, how would you rate it out of 10? Seven. ये अलग ही दुनिया में चला जाता है तुषार. ब्रो, मैंने एक वर्ड पूछा, क्या रेट करेगा इसको? That's why I said, right, कि phone से मत आया करो bro. But it's okay, I can understand your concern also. You have a PC issues. So 7. So Shri, it's okay. We'll be working on this activity. But my question to you is now, your bio and your profile doesn't attract or like make it super attractive to the girls who are like spiritual, feminine, bisexual, and like self high esteem. उनका कुछ qualifying नहीं है high self esteem पे. It's just you right now in this profile. It's just you.
Yeah.
Right. So that's the problem. Don't worry. We'll work on it.
Yeah, we'll work on it.
Right. And first, that's why I said in our community that we have to be patient, because until I'll not share the entire thing ki bhai, how you have to behaving in all the dating apps you're in, I don't want you to get banned. Like shadow ban दिखेगा नहीं band में क्या होता है, profile get removed, but in shadow ban your profile exists but you're not on the radar in their database. That people cannot see you much, right? And it's not a win situation for everybody, right? So we'll take it slowly, don't worry.
Sure.
End goal is the result, right? So who was the next? Meet was next, and he was like smile, fashionable, in touch with her intuition, witty, intelligent, nerdy yet social, spoken, creative and experimental, badass, good ass and good titties, hairstyle, surprise me, piercing and tattoos, HGC, high self-esteem. Bro, Amit, share your profile. And after that, we'll go to Binayak. Tushar, where is your link, bro? Where is your profile link? Okay. So I got the link of. So this is what Meet have shared with us. Now it should be visible to everybody, right? Again, understand, I'm not giving any tips till now. It's day 0. I'm just reviewing what's happening with your profile and why it might not be working, right? So according to his profile, his first pick is he holding his chin and he's smiling towards that side, maybe towards the left, whatever you say it. The problem with this is person cannot see his face, who he is. पहले में शेड है, देख भी उस तरफ रहा है, डायरेक्शन इज डिफरेंट, राइट? In second is good. It gives a seductive vibe and a man who is like badass. Third again doesn't tell much other than just he's reading a book, and it's not even clear which book he's reading because of the screenshot. Maybe profiling में अच्छे से दिखे, I don't know. Fourth pick is good, but I don't know what that other person is doing in the background. Can be changed. First pick needs to be changed, third pick needs to be changed, fourth can be changed. Fifth, sorry. What do you guys think about the fifth one, where he's standing and in the background there is a sort of hill and forest sort of stuff? What do you think about the fifth one?
Suddenly the screen is black for me. I'm not able to see his screen. I
Wait.
think some enable content view. Or is this? Yeah,
Now is it
even
there?
nahin, abhi aa raha hai. So which
Yeah.
picture are we talking?
We're
Fingers.
talking about the fifth one, 2, 3, 4, 5. The fifth one.
That's a 0, bro. For me.
Right? So, and the sixth one, again, face is not clear, group picture is there. So it's not happening, right? The only pick I loved and which should be there if you want to get connected with, you said badass type of girl who are witty, challenging, outspoken, is the second pick only. Other than that, you have to remove everything, right? Now,
No, I think the fourth one. Don't you think the fourth one was good?
fourth one, the problem is here, it's good अगर ये खाली अकेला यहाँ पे हो, पीछे
उसको
कोई
edit
बंदा
कर
है.
दो, ये वाला को edit कर दो, वो 9 है मेरे हिसाब से. Because I
Okay.
mean, at least in his all picks, if you edit the previous guy, I mean behind it's 9.
ओके. हाँ वही द बिहाइंड गाय है, गर्ल है, क्लियर नहीं है, इसलिए ही मैं बोल रहा हूँ कि नीड्स टू बी रिमूव्ड, राइट? दैट्स द ओनली इशू. नाउ these are the two matches. I can't see the goals properly, but Meet, how would you rate these goals according to you?
So, Abhishek, the first one, Simran girl, she's like 8.59, and the second, she's like 7.
Okay.
So,
You're
yeah,
talking
so
about just looks or the characteristics? You're not involving
character.
characteristics.
The second one, I got connected with her. Her characteristics is also good. First one is just by the looks.
Okay.
Yeah.
And what are these?
They both probably 5 and 6.
Okay.
Yeah.
So bio says, in the search to find my boni, should be honest to do the full crook things because there ain't no such thing as a halfway crooks. If you know this song, you pass the stage. You tried decent. You tried the qualification aspect of it.
But probably they actually.
It's too wordy,
Yeah. No one got it. No one got it. I
and
never had
very
a
rarely people will
conversation
get
on.
it.
Yeah, that was the problem. किसी को बॉनी और क्लाइड के बारे में भी नहीं पता है.
हाँ. So obviously, so
I get it.
है ना? तो
Yeah,
इसको हम ठीक करेंगे
yeah,
by the second week सब कुछ ठीक हो जाएगा इसमें से.
sure.
So who is the other guy? Binayak. Why why his links have a Chinese language?
He wants to make your product Chinese also, bro. He wants to expand your business. Hey Binayak, I just curious why you want only INFJ and INTJ, man. I'm just curious in your
He
personality
have written
types.
somewhere.
Yeah, in number 8, he said chubby is 7 is chubby. Then 8
Okay.
he said INFJ or INTJ.
Can talk to me, friends and my family, good communication skills, who don't judge or feel awkward, must know Hindi and English fluently. Bengali is also important for long term. ठीक है, तो ये तो टारगेट मार्केट ही बंगाली है फिर तो. Feminine voice and feminine nature. She shall not be rude. Beautiful face. Chubby is awesome but not too fat. INFJ and INTJ personality. Was interested and can discuss intellectual stuff and also ready to try a lot of things and experiment. Who smiles and jokes a lot. अच्छा ठीक इसमें ठीक है. इसकी प्रोफाइल now I'm not telling you anything. What do you think? Out of 10 points, what kind of vibe he is giving that he is looking for? What kind of girl in his life? Everybody just type one word. तो according to me, he is looking for a शादी material girl. Like इसको long term
Yeah,
relationship चाहिए, इसको hookups नहीं चाहिए,
wife ही चाहिए उसको.
है ना? तो he is looking for a girl and he's kinda ready to settle and date long term sort of stuff.
How are you? How old are you, Binayak? How old is Binayak?
Am I audible?
Yeah. You can even
Yes.
type तेरा age क्या कोई दिक्कत नहीं.
Yeah. And I'm 23, but it's not like I'm literally looking for a long term now. Obviously, like I am looking for long term, but for 1-2 years, like I just want to chill around. After that, I'll be.
So bro, see, that's the thing that I talked about, right? In the goal setting, in the monitoring sheet, the goals, bro. If you're not looking for a long term for at least a year or two, then your target audience is gonna change, right?
Yeah.
Right? You are saying कि in the long term, I wanna teach people. Let's say me. Just imagine business भी bro ऐसे ही है Tinder. So what exactly you're gonna do in Tinder is you're gonna market the shit out of you, right? You're gonna be building a brand. Okay, this is Shri, this is Binayak, this is Abhishek, this is me, this is Tushar. It's a brand. Your profile is going to be a brand. It's a product which is gonna talk about who this guy is, what his attributes, characteristics, and wants are. Am I the right fit? The girl will be thinking, am I the right fit for him? Will I be having the fun? Is this going to be a good thing? And let's get connected and let's go forward, right? ऐसा कुछ सिस्टम होने वाला है यहाँ पे. अब नाउ लेट्स से बिजनेस वर्ल्ड में मैं जाऊँ और मैं बोलूँ कि ब्रो मुझे सिखाना है डिवोर्स मैन को हाउ टू बी गुड विद गर्ल्स, और राइट नाउ आई वांना market, I'm working to market for the kids, right? How to be good at studies. कोई मतलब है इन दोनों टारगेट्स में? कोई मतलब ही नहीं है. बट what my current goals are, उसके अकॉर्डिंग मुझे वो करना पड़ेगा ना. If my current goal says that I want to work with a divorced man, want to get their dating life or love life sorted, then my content, my tonality, my speech, my words, my content, you know, my whole branding should be done that way, right? Only. ठीक है. तो
Yeah.
तो इसमें take your time, just a day zero. Take your time. What exactly you're looking for? Follow the goal video that I've shared with you guys on the in the monitoring sheet, and find exactly what you're looking for. Just to the point, what you're looking for. Right?
Sure.
Okay. So let me review the photos that you have. No.
We will also be having a photo shoot, right? So
Yeah. No.
I know. All I know.
No. No. Okay. Oh, so by the way, क्या नाम है? Binayak is a like ex Kshitij student, and that's why he looks like a little bit of Kshitij with the dress. So, if you can see the screen, okay, he's trying to build. तो तेरा तो पूरा ही रीडिजाइन करना है प्रोफाइल का,
हाँ पता है वो तो.
राइट? पिक्चर्स हो गए. डू यू हैव एनी बायो विच यू आर यूजिंग राइट नाउ?
No. I have deleted all my Tinder and all, so
Okay.
I don't have any more.
Actually, that's wonderful because within 2 weeks, when I will be talking about entire things, you'll be up and ready for creating the profile and using it as effectively as possible, right? मैं chat नहीं पढ़ पा रहा हूँ. Let me see what you guys are talking about. When you're including INTJ matches my personality, Bengali chicks are decent 6 wifey. Hi. Okay. Bro, shut the fuck up. Get late till 30 and then marry. Actually, सही है. या ठीक है. तो अब आते हैं हम तुषार पे. He have shared a Bumble profile. If I'm sure he can see it. अब मैं इसको कैसे देखूं? ब्रो मैं इसको कैसे देखूं? इतनी गंदी क्वालिटी में आई है ये मेरे पास. ठीक है, अपलोड होने हो गई. What do you guys say about the first pick?
2.
Right. Just type in the chat. Not in. You don't have to be muting and muting stuff. Right. He says green tea is bigger than coffee minus. Like doesn't make sense. क्या हो रहा है यहाँ पे? या फिर उसको arrow ऐसे दे. Personality, looks, honesty, being like cat, dogs, laughter, drama, hills, beaches, movie, books. Got 100 likes on my last Insta post. Basically, I am a celebrity. So, okay, he tried a humorous thing at the end, which most of the people will not get. That he is just trying to devalue. होता है ना जिसको उसको हम बेसिकली गेम में क्या बोलते हैं कि अपनी ही थोड़ा बेइज्जती करके just chilling the environment sort of. No, it's not neg. So I got 103 likes. It's like self-deprecation. It's a technique which pickup में use की जाती है in the game. It's been used. And let's say the girl says, you are bald, and you're like, yeah, I'm bald down there also. Would you like it? So sort of like self-deprecation. Yeah, फिर you're not funny. Yeah, that's what my mom also says. That when I'm talking to her, when I always talk to her, she is the one who sleeps, not the other way around. Like sleeps like while listening to me. So basically, these are like self-deprecation, which he tried doing that. There's a high chance in India. I've realized it's not gonna work much. सेंस ऑफ ह्यूमर कुछ खास है नहीं इंडियंस का. मुझे तो नहीं दिखा अभी तक अच्छे से. राइट. गेट रिड ऑफ स्पेक्स. ही वांट्स अ मैथमेटिशियन गर्ल. साइंटिस्ट चाहिए उसको. नेक. आई नेवर गॉट अ मैच. नाउ आई नो व्हाई इट डजंट वर्क ऑन टेक्स्ट. शूटिंग हिमसेल्फ इन फुट विथ दिस बायो. राइट. The idea of bio was, I would say, not super great, but kind of average. अच्छा था कि इसने थोड़े ही वर्ड्स में कुछ कुछ बताने की कोशिश की है अपने बारे में, which is take. Bro, देख तुषार, as I know you, you have a height of 185, right? Which is काफी अच्छी है इंडिया में. 6'1", right? You can leverage it, right? You are from your dad is from police background. You can leverage it. You watch anime, you can leverage it. So you have to think in these terms. Like if I want to attract the enemies or the girls who watch anime, let's say I feel the girls who watch anime is kind of cool and I want to be with them, right? So definitely I'll be putting 1 or 2 elements in my photo or bio talking about those stuff, right? इसको now anybody who are here, तुम्हें पता चला कि ये इसकी हाइट ज़्यादा अच्छी है या ये थोड़ा पुलिस बैकग्राउंड से है या फिर इसको एनिमे पसंद है, इनमें से कुछ कहीं भी पता चल रहा है तुम्हें? राइट, सो सेकंड पिक्चर ब्रो, पूरी शर्ट स्वेट में, लाइक व्हाई वुड यू इवन पुट these kind of stuff on a dating app? Right now, this, you try to DHV yourself that you have other girlfriends around you, but to समझ यहाँ पे the vibe is not coming out. It looks like the two girls are having their own party. You are just a third person जो कबाब में हड्डी बन रहा है उनकी.
नहीं, फोटो बॉम्ब लग रहा है मुझे तो.
वो भी है, बट तुम साथ में मजे कर रहे हो, वो इतने अच्छे से दिख नहीं रहा है ज्यादा. ठीक है, दिस इज गुड. ठीक था ये, मतलब can be improved, but this is good. Nature है, cycle है, it talks about that you like cycling. You may talk about, अच्छा एक और चीज, ये मैं सारी चीजें वीडियो के थ्रू बताऊंगा. इट्स द कॉल शुड बी वेरी शॉर्ट एंड स्पेसिफिक. इसमें खाली सो इन कॉल्स में मेरा एजेंडा सिर्फ ये होगा कि तुम्हारी तुरंत गलती पकड़ूं, तुरंत करेक्ट करूं और तुरंत कुछ एलिमेंट्स ठीक हो जाए. Waki, all the information that you will be needing to do all the stuff will be given in the video form. Don't worry about that.
Bro,
So
one question I have here about girls in the picture. Girls in the picture is not advised usually. What do you think about that?
Yeah, they're not advised. In this case, it can work because no way it can look like that this guy is dating this girls, right? But ऐसा कुछ डालने की जरूरत नहीं है. Basically, problem with putting girls pic in your profile is the girl get confused. It's your girlfriend, it's your sister, what kind of relationship you guys have, right? That dynamics makes confusion for the girl and that's why she like nahi kar deti hai. That should be the lowest priority for you if you want to put that, because उसके ऊपर बहुत सारी चीजें हैं. उसके ऊपर योर कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स हैं, योर ट्रेट्स है, योर इंटरेस्ट हैं, बहुत सारी चीजें आ जाएंगी. एंड एनीवेज यू हैव टू पुट 4 to 6 photos max to max, right? So it will be covering up most of the your hobbies हो गया, कुछ और elements हो गए. We'll talk about that in the video. Don't worry, I'll share the videos, the do's and don'ts, and what kind of pictures you. That's why again I said, when I'll be sharing everything, the content of everything about online dating, you can use it and I'll just review it here. I'll tweak something here. I'll make sure that things are in the direction. That's what the agenda of this calls are. So we are talking about the cycling part. This I liked it. The dressing could have been improved, but it's okay. You are in anyway cycling, so it doesn't matter. But नॉर्मली साइकिलिंग जीन्स में नहीं करते हैं. इट साफ साफ पता चल रहा है ये तूने फेक फोटोशूट करवाया है. यू आर नॉट एक्चुअली साइकिलिंग एट दैट टाइम. ठीक है, तो इसमें ये ध्यान रखना ब्रो, इवन इफ यू आर फेकिंग इट, एटलीस्ट डू इट इन अ वे दैट वो लगे तो वो तुम कर रहे थे एक्टिविटी, राइट? आई हैव नेवर सीन पीपल साइकिलिंग इन जीन्स एंड स्नीकर्स, right? Ability to eat food with chopsticks. He tried to be fun here. It's good. If I could have superpower, it would be this. Using the same jeans and same t-shirt, same shirts in most of the pics. At least 2-3 repetitions हैं यहाँ पे. And ये पिक क्या बता रही है तुम लोगों को? बताओ।
वो कुत्ता टट्टी जा रही है। उसका बॉडी लैंग्वेज अच्छा नहीं है कुत्ते का।
Far showed me some model pics. I copied the body language. I'll be sharing about some body language tips and how you can even get your pictures clicked. मैं बताऊंगा उसको कौन से वीक में है वो मुझे नहीं पता क्योंकि ऐसे ही जा रहे हैं बट ये मतलब इसमें ना दिख इसको क्या था बस कहीं से इसने ऑब्वियसली सुना तुषार ने कि पेट्स एंड स्पेशली डॉग्स शुड बी इन द पिक राइट। अब देखो इसकी कॉन्ग्रुएंसी देखो जरा प्रोफाइल में ओवर इन दी ऊपर इसने लिखा हुआ है कैट्स इज ग्रेटर देन डॉग्स मतलब कैट्स को ज़्यादा प्यार करता है डॉग से और नीचे यहाँ पे डॉग डाल रखा है वो भी ये ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड डॉग के साथ पिक डालना शुड बी अडोरेबल इन नो वे दिस पिक इज कमिंग लिटिल बिट थोड़ा सा अडोरेबल ये कह सकते हो कि हाँ ये देख के थोड़ा हंस रहा है और कह रहा है कि अरे क्या कर रहा है बट पकड़ में आ रहा है ये कि ये इसका नहीं है और समझ रहे इनका इस कुत्ते के साथ इसका कोई कनेक्शन है नहीं ये अडोरेबल पे नहीं आ रहा है। मेक सेंस तुषार टू यू?
बिल्ली कुत्ते ऐसा लग रहा है कुत्ते को कोल्ड अप्रोच कर
है
रहा
ना?
है।
So if you said you have to be congruent about the profile also, right? When you said cats, you love cats more than dogs, then why the fuck the dog is in your profile? That means when you wanna say it tells me when you're gonna say you love truth rather than manipulation, I will be assuming you will be manipulating me. Like just a stupid example that I gave. Or let's say you said I like momos more than South Indian, and what I'm seeing next is you're eating South Indian thali, right? So congruent on I'm an honest asshole. There are two sides of the same. These are the same. Okay. What kind of girls you're attracting? तुषार तूने यहाँ पे लिखे नहीं अपनी traits values में. ब्रो अभी तो खाली रोस्ट हुआ है अभी प्रोफाइल बिल्ड होगा सबसे मजा तो उसमें आएगा राइट। डिसेंट लुकिंग ब्रो द मोमेंट यू सेड डिसेंट लुकिंग तूने थॉट नहीं दिया है। So for Tushar the task should be find your values and find the type of girl you're looking for. For Binayak also, please understand your goals. What are you looking for current, like month, 3 months, 6 months, or a year down the line? Understand it. If you're gonna niche it properly, if you're gonna target your audience properly, then you will be getting the type of people exactly right, which will make things easy for you. So and for Meet, bro, you need photo shoot done. Either get your friends if you cannot have professional, and Meet no Shri, for you in your case we need to align with the type of girl and the values you have. You have a mismatch, a big mismatch in there. Your bio needs to be improved and we'll work on that.
Sure.
So far all good from this thing.
Yeah.
Okay, selecting pictures हो गया है, विनायक का तो anyway shoot हो गई होगा. Any questions you have which I can address right now because roasting done हो गया है और obviously तुम्हें week इस वाले week 1 के day 1 day 2 day 3 में तुम्हें कुछ कुछ videos मिलते चले जाएंगे for you to make you know good understanding of what dating app is. So basically मैं फिर से एक बार बता देता हूँ what you will be getting in this week as for you to understand. एक second रुको. So as I talked,
do you know any good Photoshop type of guys who can Photoshop me?
Photoshop बड़ा freelancer पे एक बार try करके देखना.
Fiverr.
हाँ Fiverr है, Upwork है, all this. So I can understand you are trying to Photoshop yourself into some sort of scenarios, right?
Correct.
And what that
जो
scenario would be?
relevant है मेरे लाइफ में, I don't want to go fake it too much.
Mm-hmm.
But जो भी relevant है मैंने किया है, but फोटो नहीं लिया होगा ना, तो वो
Hmm.
ऐसे
Yeah.
निकाल दूंगा.
So when it comes to faking, it's not an issue, but fake it in a way that your face is not that visible,
Yeah, of course. Yeah.
right? And you actually do that kind of activity. Let's
Yeah.
say um one of the good faking was the drumming, right? You don't do it, but you can talk about it, you can cover it up easily, right?
Correct.
So we'll talk about all the elements also, what can be faked, what cannot be faked, and how you should fake it in a nice way that you can calibrate. I'm not promoting faking, I'm not disregarding the faking. Do it, but do it wisely, right? Can be done, not an issue. Anyways, everybody on online platforms and gonna exaggerate their
Yeah.
kind of brand, right? Everybody just exaggerates their brand.
Deepfake सुना है? Have you heard of deepfake?
Deepfake, uh, where people use some other guy, get the matches done, and then
नहीं, deepfake is where your face itself is morphed upon a video or a picture in such a way that not Photoshop. It's done by AI basically.
I've seen that, but वो easily पता चल जाता है वो deepfake है.
अच्छा, Face app does that. अच्छा, मुझे लगता
हाँ,
नहीं.
उससे पता चल जाता है दैट मोमेंट्स में तुम्हें दिख जाता है कि हाँ इस पे ये तो फेक किया गया है.
नहीं, फोटो में. What about photo? Just photo. Anybody tried it, guys, in the group?
फोटोज में भी सब लोग ने कर लिया है. यूजुअली मेनी गर्ल्स हैव डन इट. सो गर्ल्स एक्चुअली गेट दैट स्टफ कि ओके ये तो इधर से लोग ने ढापा है, ये बंदे ने इधर से स्वैप किया है. सो
अच्छा, फेस swap.
या यस फेस ऐप लाइक वो बहुत वायरल हुआ है
बट
लॉकडाउन में.
आई
पब्लिक
वांट
ने
टू
वही किया
अंडरस्टैंड
है.
श्री व्हिच एलिमेंट यू ट्राइंग टू फेक. इट डिपेंड्स ऑन द एलिमेंट आल्सो, राइट?
I want to swap my face to some guy meditating or something, so that I don't have to do the shoot.
अच्छा.
Saving my time. See, I already been to many Himalayas and all that, Hosho Ashram, but my pictures अच्छे नहीं है उसमें. So I can take a good similar looking guy's picture which is high quality and swap the face.
ओके. यहाँ पे थोड़ा ब्रेनस्टॉर्म करना श्री. You don't just have to be sitting in a lotus position and doing meditation to hit in that spiritual element. You can use your wit in the bio itself, like hitting on some spiritual elements. Let's say if you are a spiritual person, right, you already know few of the core things that you spiritual guys talk about, or few elements which are pretty much known to the spiritual world, right? Now certainly putting into your bio make more sense than doing that edit on your photo. Plus sitting like it's a very cliche thing that you in a dating app you're sitting in a lotus position doing a meditation. I would say it's a strict no, to be honest.
नहीं ऐसे example दे रहा हूँ, but yeah, I got what you're saying.
है ना? So again, just to revise what's you're gonna get in this week is you'll understand how all the apps gonna work, what are the pros and cons of all the apps, and which is going to be the best for you. How you will be measuring your ELO score and how we're gonna improve it. The behaviors which we need to avoid to get shadow banned. Understanding your market value, the sexual market value, how to maximize it, and obviously within this week I'll promote you, and will at least you should at least find some good pictures or get clicked with your friends, with some professional photographers or anybody which can be it's just get it done, bro. This is most important because pic and bio are the most important when it comes to online dating. It's not cold approach where you can just go and with the game and do all the stuff. It's not gonna work like that, right? So any question from you guys that I can address right now? Any concerns of the structures, any concern of the processes, any question that you want to do? Froshri, also one more thing, I will send you a bio. What I'll write, I'll do one thing, I'll just send it right now so that Give me a sec. Mira. So there is something called curiosity which you can build with your opener, and curiosity is one of the, not big नहीं बोलूँगा, it's one of the element to create attraction, because before entering the text I'll let you know what exactly I mean by that. So let's say if somebody is telling you something and they take a pause and they don't tell you the entire thing. Now in your head what goes on? Oh, what he was about to tell me. Was it
Right.
this? Was it that? Was it this? Your brain runs into it. And what it does is, if your brain runs into it, you think that person is kind of important to you, because there is an open loop, which, you know, it's kind of open and it's not closed yet. And your brain is thinking, what's that? What's that? What's that? Right? So you can use this technique or a principle or a hack in your openers, and you can send this. So there are two things that appear very attractive about your profile. I feel intrigued and couldn't resist myself for swiping right. Better than this, I will say one more thing. There are two things that appear very attractive about your profile. You can change the word attractive also. Impressive you can write, outstanding you can, whatever connects the word, whatever word you can get connected with you.
Interesting.
है ना? You can write it here, and you can say that make me intrigued, and you know I couldn't resist swiping right. Anyways, the first was this, and the second is dot 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 dot. Right. Now why I said that is, in the text that I've sent you, I have not even mentioned both the things. So it can look like it's a copy paste text that you are sending to it everybody. But what if you put your first thing as, let's say उसकी profile तुमने देखा and you are just saying, by the way, the first thing is the way you look into the camera, or let's say the way you cuddle with your dog, or the way you eat that Manchurian in the
What about
bowl.
fashion
Depends on the
sense?
photos, कैसी उसकी photos है, right?
Fashion sense चलेगा?
कुछ भी, anything in from her profile which is little distinctive, like थोड़ा सा अलग है, जिसपे सारे लोग नहीं बोल रहे हैं, वो तुम्हें दिख जाएगा, कुछ भी अलग से दिख जाएगा. Let's say bio से एक word उठा लिया, when she is like Harry Potter fan, या pothead, she is like, you know, something. I'll give you the examples also. हम प्रोफाइल जब देख रहे होंगे ना लड़कियों की, मैं उसमें से तुम्हें एक एक्सरसाइज भी कराऊंगा कि ये तुम मेरे साथ प्रोफाइल देखो, एंड इसमें तुम क्या पिन पॉइंट करना चाहते थे वो मुझे बताओ, सो दैट आई कैन अंडरस्टैंड कि तुम्हारे पास वो आई आ चुकी है, तुम अंडरस्टैंड कि तुम क्या कर सकते हो उसमें.
एक छोटी सी एग्जांपल ले सकते हैं, like I really liked her hair color, so I was thinking there are two things that are interesting, blah blah blah. Interesting, I changed to attractive to interesting. I felt intrigued, I couldn't resist myself from swiping right. First thing is your fashion sense.
Now important thing is, bro, it's okay Cupid.
Yeah.
Okay, you have already swiped in okay Cupid also, you swipe right on the person, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Like
first,
your profile, दूंगा swipe right.
Can you just show me her profile once?
Sure. Let me copy this.
For Meet, what kind of photos? I'll tell you. Don't worry about that. Week 1 में मैं about the photos I'll talk about, and I'll personally maybe in the group I'll DM. Oh, Chinky, my favorites. अरे ये तो वो वाला मॉल है, UB City. Chinkies are my favorite. ये record और ये call, but still okay, I can say that. So yeah, थोड़ा और एक बार नहीं, थोड़ा लेफ्ट राइट, MG रोड एंड UB City, एंड थोड़ा बायो पे जा.
Funny बस.
Funny. Okay, so you just got attracted towards stuff like
Fashion sense, yeah.
It's okay. So you can talk about fashion sense, or you can talk about one. Bro, imagine ये किसी ने notice नहीं किया होगा. Only I got it, maybe you got it, I don't know. That वो UB City में खड़ी थी.
No, I didn't get it. But yeah,
You
I
didn't
can
get
use
it?
your. No.
Okay, so if I were you and if I were texting this girl, I would be talking about something related to UB City because it's already DHV.
Yeah.
It's a very high-end mall. A watch starts from the range like 1.5 lakh. The starting range is 1.5 lakh. राइट मैं एक बार जीन्स लेने गया था, मैंने डीजल के शोरूम में गया, आई आस्क्ड हिम कि ब्रो गिव मी शो मी दिस जीन्स. उसका टैग प्राइस देखा, इट वाज 14,000 फॉर अ बेसिक जीन्स. मैंने कहा आई थिंक टैग में कुछ गड़बड़ है, ये 1400 की है. तो कहता नहीं सर ये 14,000 की. मैं कहा पैंट क्या है ऐसा जीन्स में. राइट. सो यूबीसिटी इज लाइक अ हाई एंड मॉल इन बैंगलोर. Cool. So nobody could have found out that.
Right.
But what it talks about it that you know UBCity, that means you might मतलब तुम जा चुके हो वहाँ पे, that's why you know, right? And तुम जा चुके हो तो तुम्हारे क्या बताता है, तुम एवं एरे गहरे मॉल्स में नहीं जाते, तुम भी हैंग आउट करते हो ऐसी अच्छी अच्छी जगहों पे. Instant connection because she was there, even though she never bought anything and you also didn't bought anything, but that's a connection.
So the first thing is we both love UBCity malls. UBCity, just UBCity.
And we both love interior of UBCity, something like that.
इंटीरियर को थोड़ा serious. First thing is
या एनीथिंग समथिंग. मैंने जैसे एक हिंट दिया, इसको अभी एग्जैक्ट मेरे को वर्ड्स में लाने के लिए obviously it needs time, right? मैं
so we both dig
okay.
UBCity.
So one of the trick that I do also while I text girls, I don't do it with the people I text normally on WhatsApp in my groups and all because बहुत सारे questions आते रहते हैं मेरे को. But when I do texting with a girl, right? Whenever I type something, I read it out loud.
Yeah, that's what I'm doing. Yeah.
Right. And when I read it out loud, I can hear myself. Is it making sense? And if it's like, हाँ, it makes sense to me also, then I hit send. उससे पहले मैं send नहीं कर रहा होता हूँ.
So,
So
the first part is okay. This is swiping, right? First thing is we both dig UBCity, and the second is ... खत्म.
हाँ, ठीक है. But understand the principle here. The principle is with this opener, you are first of all differentiating yourself from the masses. Second, you are giving her something personalized, and third, you're putting her on the open loop so that now she have to know what is the second thing. And now your text game technicality is going to come in picture, which we'll be covering from the next month. But still, if somebody will be reached there fast, I'll make sure, क्योंकि मैं अभी day and night इसी पे काम कर रहा हूँ, तो I'll जितना जल्दी हो सके मैं notes भेजता चला जाऊँगा. Right? Nothing is fixed here, right? Got it?
Thanks. Yeah.
So far makes sense to everybody, all of you, what we learned today, what we did today.
Yeah, वो mind map का access भी दे दे so that we can review the material.
That I'll do. Yeah. Don't worry. Today I'll not be able to. But material कल से मिलना शुरू हो जाएगा.
Sounds good, man.
ठीक है. So any last question you guys have for me? Anyways, हमारा call extend हो चुका है, but it's okay.
नहीं सही बढ़िया है.
सही है, मजा आ रहा है
क्या यार.
एंड ये मैंने श्री को भेजा है द ओपनर पार्ट. इसका मतलब ये नहीं है वो सिर्फ श्री के लिए था. मैं फिर से बोल रहा हूँ, वो तुम्हें भी कॉपी करके अपने नोट्स में डाल देना है कहीं, और तुम्हें भी वो प्रिंसिपल अप्लाई कर देना है. किसको वो प्रिंसिपल लगा कि वो भाई ये तो अलग है, मतलब मस्त था, ये तो बढ़िया था.
Right, got it.
So that's what the power of outbound, when you directly DM to the people and you get their interest and then takes things forward.
Probably
right?
Hinge app is also similar to that. I do that.
I have to check, bro.
But I never get a match on that part when I text them.
So Tushar, for best for you is please wait for at least 3 to 4 days. Let me make the notes for photo shoots. Let me talk about what kind of photos needs to be done. And you and Meet as stay nearby, you guys can help each other to get the photo shoot done.
Yeah, we had actually planned that stuff also.
है ना, तो तुम कर सकते हो. And Binayak is anyways coming to me next month. And about Shri का profile already decent है, बस एक दो element maybe bio से. Shri, my recommendation, let's play with the bio first.
ठीक है,
right?
ठीक है. Yeah.
Let's play with the bio because क्यों एक extra effort डालना फोटो के लिए, क्यों? इवन इट्स अ टास्क, राइट? फ्रीलांसर पे लोगों को ढूंढो, एडिट करवाओ, अच्छा है नहीं आया पे भी कर दो, और फील भी नहीं आई, फेक लगे, मतलब टू मच too much work. So let's try it first on the bio part, right?
Sure, man.
Chalo, okay guys. We'll see in the next week, and stay tuned for the notes and the videos that you will receive in the monitoring sheet, right?
Yep. Bye,
Bye
guys.
bye. Enjoy
It was a
your
fun
day.
session. Yeah.
Bye, guys.